Hello, good people. Let's put some foil on some denim. We're going to use white glue to attach the denim to the wood. Here's a piece of wood from Dollar Tree. Here's a piece of denim. I have my spatula and my stencil. This is the stencil that I made. And we're using Deco Foil Transfer Gel Duo. And we're going to use Deco Foil Silver. It comes in several sheets in this package. I got this from Michael's. I have a small and a large spatula and my sponge brush that I'm going to use. So let's get to it. I'm using white glue to attach my denim to my wood piece. Now I'm going to lay my stencil down on my material. I'm going to take my spatula and spread the gel onto the stencil. I'm spreading it in thin layers, but I do want to have full coverage. Now I use the edge of the spatula to give it one final smoothing. And I return as much of my gel as I can back into the container. Now I'm going to lift the stencil off. I'll need to let this dry, and we'll know that we want it to dry until it's tacky. We'll know that when it's no longer white, when it's almost clear. That's when you know that it's dry and it's ready for the next step. As you can see now, the gel is almost clear, so now we can apply the foil. We're going to use heat to apply the foil. We're going to smooth it down and then cut it to size. This is one of the more popular methods of adding foil to fabric. I have a different method that I use that I'll present later. I use some different materials. I've had these materials for a while, but I've also discovered some better quality materials. But these work out just fine. I'm using a regular iron on a high heat setting to apply heat. But I'm going to just put this paper over my material to protect it. I'm using heat and pressure. Now we lift the corner and then peel the foil off. and it looks okay. It adhered pretty well. So I'm going to use the remainder of the foil. It will have the negative image. Because I want to use the negative image of my foil, I've already spread some of the gel on this piece of denim here. So I just need to attach the foil and heat it. Well, I didn't quite use all of it, but I still got most of it used. So, and this is kind of the look that they do on the denim, the kind of distressed look. I didn't put masking on because I was afraid that the mask may pull my foil off. So to clean my earrings, I use alcohol to take off the smoky look. I couldn't get the oval shaped ones to video very well, so they're not really, they're silver, and I don't know why they look brown when I on the video. Anyway, this is what we have. Don't forget to like, give me a thumbs up, comment. This is Sherry saying, as always, be blessed.